Chapter 7 Comparison of Adjectives. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Raj is a tall boy. Ayush is taller than Raj. Yash is the tallest of the three. In the first sentence, we say Raj is a tall boy. We are not comparing him with any other boy. We are describing a quality that Raj possesses. We are simply saying that Raj is tall. In the second sentence, we say Ayush is taller than Raj. Here we are comparing Raj with another boy, Ayush. While comparing the two boys, we say that one is taller than the other. In the third sentence, we say that Yash is the tallest of the three. Here we are comparing the three boys, Raj, Ayush and Yash. On comparing the three boys, we say that Yash is the tallest of the three. We observe that adjective tall changes its form to show comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. These are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. The positive degree is the first degree where the adjective denotes some quality of a person or thing without making any comparison. Adjective tall is in positive degree. The comparative degree is the second degree where the adjective denotes a higher degree of quality than the positive degree while comparing two persons or things. Adjective taller is in comparative degree. The superlative degree is the third degree where the adjective denotes the highest degree of quality while comparing more than two persons or things. Adjective tallest is in the superlative degree. Always remember, we use than after the comparative form when we compare two persons or things. For example, we say, Priya is thinner than Priyanka. A train is faster than a bus. With the superlative form, we use the before it. For example, we say, Rashmi is the thinnest girl in the class. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Formation of degrees. Degrees of comparison of adjectives are formed in different ways. In many adjectives, ER is added to their positive degrees to form comparative degrees, and EST is added to their positive degrees to form superlative degrees. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Fast, faster, fastest. Great, greater, greatest. Long, longer, longest. Old, older, oldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Young, younger, youngest. If the adjective ends in E, we just add R to form the comparative degree and ST to form the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Safe, safer, safest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Wide, wider, widest. Wise, wiser, wisest. If the adjective ends in a consonant and there is a vowel before it, we add ER and EST after doubling the last consonant. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest, thin, thinner, thinnest, wet, wetter, wettest. If the adjective ends in y and there is a consonant before it, we change y into I and add er and est to form comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Positive, comparative, superlative. Busy, busier, busiest. Dry, drier, driest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Exceptions: shy, shyer, shyest. Sly, slyer, slyest. If the adjective has two or more than two syllables, we use more before the adjective to make the comparative degree and the word most before the adjective to make the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Charming, more charming, most charming. Harmful, more harmful, most harmful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Polite, more polite, most polite. Useful, more useful, most useful. Always remember, with some adjectives, we can use either the er, est forms or the more, most forms. For example, polite, politer, politest. Polite, more polite, most polite. Common, commoner, commonest. Common, more common, most common. Stupid, stupider, stupidest. Stupid, more stupid, most stupid. Some adjectives do not form their comparative and superlative forms in any of the ways described above. They have different words in their comparative and superlative degrees. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bad, ill, worse, worst. Far, farther or further, farthest or furthest. Good, well, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Old, older, elder, oldest, eldest. Let's recapitulate. Degrees of comparison or comparison of adjectives show comparison in quality of a person or a thing or a place in relation to others. When we compare two persons, places or things with each other, the adjective used is in the comparative degree as he is a fat boy. Joy is fatter than his friend. Note, use than after the comparative degree of adjective. Quite often, we add er to the adjective to change it into the comparative degree. When the comparison is made among more than two, we use the superlative degree of an adjective, which quite often is formed by adding est to the adjective. Use the before the superlative degree of adjective as Raj is a tall boy, positive degree. Sonu is taller than Raj, comparative degree. Khali is the tallest of all the three boys, superlative degree. Formation of degrees of comparison. Quite often, we add er to form comparative and est for changing an adjective into the superlative as positive, comparative, superlative. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clear, clearer, clearest. Fast, faster, fastest. Old, older, oldest. Young, younger, youngest. If an adjective ends in e, simply add r to form the comparative and st for the superlative as positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Safe, safer, safest. Wide, wider, widest. If an adjective ends in consonant and there is a vowel before it, double the consonant before adding er or est as positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. If an adjective ends in y and has a consonant before it, y is changed into I before er or est is added to it as positive, comparative, superlative. Busy, busier, busiest. Crazy, crazier, craziest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Exceptions: shy and sly are changed into the comparative simply by adding er or est as shy, shyer, shyest. Sly, slyer, slyest. If an adjective has two or more syllables, add more for the comparative and most for the superlative as positive, comparative, superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Polite, more polite, most polite. Useful, more useful, most useful.